Start with the lesson, I'll just read out some words for you: soil, sowing, fertilizer, manure, irrigation, weeds, harvesting, storage. Now tell me, where have you heard these words? Yes, you are right, children. All these words are related to agriculture. So today we are going to study about agriculture from the lesson crop production and management. To begin with, what is crop? Crop is nothing but when plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Example, if you want to grow rice, you have to grow rice throughout the field. Then it is called as crop. Then moving on to the next point, that is types of crops. We have two types of crops. First one is kharif crop. Now what is kharif crop? Kharif crop is nothing but the crops which are grown in rainy season. For example, paddy, maize, soybean, groundnut, cotton, etc. Students, you can see the picture of some of the kharif crops on the screen. Then moving on to the next type, yes, it is rabi crop. What is rabi crop? The crops which are grown in winter season are called as rabi crops. Example, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseeds, etc. Students, you can see some of the rabi crops on the screen. Now moving on to the next point, basic practice of crop production. One by one we'll just go through these points. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation, protecting from weeds, harvesting, and storage. Students, one by one will go through these points. First step is preparation of soil. Preparation of soil is the first step in cultivation of crop for food production. It requires 3 steps, that are: first step is plowing. Now what is plowing? Plowing is nothing but it's a process of loosening and turning the soil. It is done by plow or hoe or a cultivator attached to bullocks or tractor. This is how a plow looks like. You must have seen this. We all are familiar with it, right? Yes. Some of the agricultural implements or equipments which are required or used for plowing. First one is plow, what we had seen now. This is how it looks like. Then this is hoe. This is the picture of hoe. What it is nothing but a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. A cultivator which loosens the soil and uproots the weeds. So these are some of the agricultural implements. A cultivator, you can see on the screen, right? The next step is leveling. The plowed soil is quite loose, so it is liable to be carried away by strong winds or washed away by rain water. Thus, the plowed soil is leveled by pressing it with a wooden or an iron leveler so as to prevent soil erosion. Students, this is how it is done. The next step is manuring. Manuring means adding manure to the soil. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before plowing. You can see on the screen how manure looks like. Then moving on to sowing. What is sowing now? The process of scattering or putting seeds into the ground is called sowing. You can see on the screen how sowing is done. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy, free from infection and diseases. Students, it is very important that we need to select good seeds. Now you can see on the screen good seeds in one hand and bad seeds in one hand. Students, you need to remember, if you sow good seeds, the yield is also going to be of the same kind. If you go for bad seeds, the yield is also going to be of the same type. So it's very important that we select good seeds. There are two methods of sowing seeds: sowing by hand and sowing with a seed drill. This is sowing by hand, you can see on the screen, and this is sowing with a drill. Now, what is seed drill? Seed drill is nothing but a funnel like structure, you can see on the screen, to which pipes are attached, and to those pipes we have small ploughs which makes furrow, and into those furrows the seeds go and fall through the pipe at regular interval. So this is a seed drill all about. Sowing with seed drill is considered better than sowing with hand because the seeds are in regular rows. You will see that seeds go and fall at regular interval. It saves time and labor. If you have a very big farm and if you are sowing with hand, it is going to take more time, right? So seed drill saves time. So this is about sowing.